everyone, I'm Stuart and welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. In today's class, let's look at adding extra information about things using adjective phrases. Here is a quote: Sanskrit paper full of mistakes. Or, I met a woman addicted to traveling. Or, I know someone allergic to pollen. Let's look at the use. We use this structure to add more information about a noun, just like we would with a relative clause. The key point, though, is that we need to use an adjective and we need to use a preposition. We use this structure to reduce relative clauses. For example, we went to an island that was full of birds. Because we have an adjective full and we have a preposition of, we can then delete that and was. So the sentence becomes, we went to an island full of birds. Let's practice making some sentences. Step 1, make a sentence using a noun. We went to an island. Step 2, add information about that noun using a relative clause that has an adjective, a preposition, and a noun. We went to an island that was full of birds. Step 3, remove that was, who was, or which was. So the sentence becomes, we went to an island full of birds. Let's practice making some examples. I've got some different activities. I'd like you to use the hints in those activities to make some example sentences. When you say the example sentences, make sure to speak out loud and say your answers very loudly, except if you're on the train, because you'll scare people. Here's the example. I met a girl who was interested in camping. This becomes, I met a girl interested in camping. Now it's your turn. I'll give you 3 seconds to complete each activity. I saw a plane that was capable of traveling almost 2,000 kilometers per hour. 3, 2, 1. I saw a plane capable of traveling almost 2,000 kilometers per hour. I walked over a bridge that was notorious for accidents. 3, 2, 1. I walked over a bridge notorious for accidents. My friend told me about a man who was mad at his boss. 3, 2, 1. My friend told me about a man who was mad at his boss. I took a picture of a lion which was ready for dinner. 3, 2, 1. I took a picture of a lion ready for dinner. That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching. In today's class, we looked at adding extra information about things using adjectives and prepositions. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe. We're trying to release new videos every week. If you could share this video with your friends, that would be great. If you would like to practice the grammar, please use the comments below and write an example sentence. And if you could like this video, that would really mean a lot. Thanks. Bye.